An elephant consumes an average of 300 pounds of food each day, sustaining its massive body while also creating more grassland space for other animals. Every step they take carves pathways through the woods, fostering the growth of low-lying plants and vegetation and providing shelter for many smaller species. However, climate change is adding new challenges. Extended droughts and irregular rainfall force elephants to search further afield, intensifying competition within the food chain. Yet, the presence of African elephants remains crucial, as they play a vital role in sustaining the nutrient cycle. Elephant dung serves as a natural fertilizer,